Okay, I just wanted to show this beauty right here. This is a very unusual car, and just because of it, we'd like to show it to you. This happens to be a 2007 Ferrari F430 F1 Formula One type. This one has less than 6,000 miles. So for the age, I think it's aging absolutely stunningly beautiful. Look at this car, and no shot comes without having to show the engine, because the engine really is what you want to see in this. Look at the beautiful lines of that. So we're just going to get a little shot of the interior, but you have to take a look at this prancing horse, because that is the Ferrari symbol. Wow. And we finish up the shot once more with the engine as we move away from the vehicle.